So, how can we actually calculate the resolved shear stress value? It looks like a kind of a complicated equation. So, let's look at T edge, let's look at B edge, let's look at let's calculate the normal of our edge, and we did that previously right there. So, we've got our normal. So now we can calculate our Schmidt resolution tensor. And again, I am going to cheat a little bit and plagiarize myself here and go down, and I'm going to pull up a table that I built. Again, you're just going through building essentially that function yourself, and you're just going to do, again, you're dotting essentially the ith component times the n edge, your b component of the edge, and then n edge, and then you're just going to sum through all of your indices effectively. And we have our Schmidt resolution tensor. And now we can calculate our resolved shear stress, or basically we could call it, let's do resolved. So we need to figure out what is our, again, the most generic, again, stress that's applied in our system. Again, I'm going to somewhat plagiarize myself. I've already have that. We're going to get the value. And alpha ij, multiply it there to get our resolved shear stress, and there it is. It's just going to be your sig 1,2 in this instance.